Let's fill out the Missouri boat bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours, write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying a boat in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. Make sure you complete and submit this within 30 days of the sale date, so don't wait too long on that. For the title, you'll need a properly assigned certificate of title. All sellers and purchasers must print their names and sign the back of the title. The good news is, those signatures do not need to be notarized, so that saves you a trip to the notary. One thing worth noting on price. If you're involved in a gift transaction, you would not pay state or local tax on that transfer. So keep that in mind if you're gifting a boat to someone. One note for Missouri. The state has its own official bill of sale, Form 1957, and it is linked in the description. This video walks through the general bill of sale structure so you know what information to prepare. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.